So I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix it on the sleeve, okay, an off-shoulder sleeve. So this is exactly how I want to fix it. So I'm going to draw a design to it. So this is the pattern of the design I want. That's what I'm actually dragging here. Drawing a design that I want for just what I want. Okay. So when I get here, I'm going to take it a little bit up. I'm going to follow this pattern I'm drawing to make the, okay. So let me just see if it's going to, if the what I'm using is going to be enough, I'm going to drag it a little bit and come here. So it's going to be fuller, okay. So I'm maintaining this pattern. That is what I'm going to use to do my design. Okay, so I'm going to fix it this way so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'll follow the pattern that way. I'm just following the pattern I drew on the sleeve. So if you want to know how I cut the sleeve, you can go to my channel. You will see how I cut the off-shoulder sleeve. All I'm doing is just to follow the pattern I drew. All I'm doing is just to follow the pattern I drew. You can decide to draw your own pattern. They're all styles. So it's long enough. I'm going to take it round. following the pattern. I've not done anything more. You can decide to draw your own pattern. It depends on what you want, but this is the pattern, the design I want. So I'm following the pattern like this. Just what I've done so far. By following the pattern. So this is the outcome of the design. As you can see, so I'm gonna fix it on my hand. Well, I'm gonna show you the final look when I fixed it on the clothes. See how it's gonna look like. Okay, this is the final piece, the final finished work. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. It came out very nice. You can also try it and see how it's going to come out, because I love to see students doing their work. This is so beautiful. Lovely.